SeaTrippin friends. And as you might be able to tell, today we're talking about drink packages again.
Yes. Today we're going to go over first the Bubbles package with Carnival, and then we're going to go over the big one everybody wants to know, the Cheers package.
That's right. So right here we have one of their popular drinks on embarkation day, the Fun Ship drink.
Yes, this is the one that they're walking around with them on the tray as soon as you get on board. Signature drink. Awesome.
Pretty good. So once we go over the Bubbles package, we're going to get to the alcohol package, and we're going to tell you exactly how to make the Fun Ship drink so you can make it at home and enjoy one too.
Just like us.
Yep. So cheers.
Cheers.
We'll be right back. Okay, welcome back, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and get started with the soda package, now also known as the Bottomless Bubbles package.
Yeah, we'll knock this one out of the way kind of quick and get to the good one here after this. But this is the soda package. It costs $6.95 for a child and then $9.50 for adults. And it doesn't matter if you buy that ahead of time or they're on the ship, it's gonna cost the same amount.
Right, and also they're gonna add 18% gratuity on top of that price, so don't forget that.
That's on top of everything, pretty much.
Correct.
So now this just includes your sodas and juices. And remember, Carnival does Pepsi products now for you if that's a big deal.
Right, if you're not a Pepsi drinker and you like Coke, you are allowed to bring a 12-pack of Coke cans on board with you.
Yeah, so you definitely want to look at that if you're not a Pepsi drinker.
Yeah.
All right, now remember the package doesn't work on their private islands.
No, it does not work at any of the ports. It doesn't work on Carnival's private islands. It also does not work with room service.
Yep, no.
So keep that in mind if you purchase the package.
Now with this one though, not everybody in the room has to get the package. So just one person can get it. And now, but they still no sharing.
No sharing allowed, so be careful.
Yeah.
What else? It does not include bottled water.
That's yes.
So, but you can pre-buy a case of water. We do that a lot of times, so it's in your cabin waiting for you when you get on board.
It ends up being cheaper, and you need those waters after going on those long excursions during the day, and it's nice to come back and have them right there for you.
Right, and this package is truly unlimited. There is no number of drinks, like set limit. You can have all the soda, all the juice you want. Just keep in mind that they normally allow 5 minutes in between drinks, and you can only get one at a time.
Yep.
Okay, so now we're gonna dive into everybody's favorite, the Cheers package.
Yeah.
Yes, and we're gonna try to tell you how to make the Fun Ship drink as we go along talking about the Cheers package. Not sure how it's gonna work, but we're gonna try it. So I'm gonna move my drink out of the way.
All right, so the alcohol package on Carnival is called the Cheers package. It's $69.95 if you buy it there on the ship. Don't forget the 18% gratuity. Now, if you buy it ahead of time on your cruise planner, it's going to be $59.95. So you save a little bit of money.
Okay, now the first ingredient we're gonna do for the Fun Ship drink is 1 ounce of vodka. So, got my little measuring thing here. It was a little over, that's okay. That's okay. Okay, and then the second ingredient is going to be 1 ounce of rum.
Okay. Now, the Cheers package, again, you're limited to 15 alcohol drinks per day. Now, that day starts at 6 a.m., so you can't go party all night and think, oh, it's midnight and I'm starting over. No. So, it's 15 alcohol drinks a day, starts at 6 a.m.
Yeah, and still you got to leave like 5 minutes in between drinks.
Yes, yeah, you can't
just drink one right after the other.
Yeah. Now, it's 15 alcohol drinks, but you still get unlimited other drinks. Like this package includes your specialty coffees. It includes, of course, your wine and cocktails and beer, stuff like that. But it also includes your sodas, includes milkshakes, and it also includes bottled water, which is really important.
Oh yeah, we love our bottled water. Okay, my next two ingredients is going to be a ½ ounce of the amaretto almond liqueur, and a ½ ounce of the apricot brandy. I think I'm a little heavy-handed in these pours.
Now, when you're buying the drink package, you have to buy it for the entire cruise. You can't just buy it for specific days. Now, when you buy the package, it actually gets you a couple little other discounts. You get 25% off like a bottle of wine. You get 25% off like the specialty classes that they do, like the tasting classes and stuff like that. So it does a little more than just your drinks.
Okay, next 2 ingredients is gonna be your juice. So we've got 1 ounce of pineapple juice, and we're gonna do 1 ounce of orange juice as well.
All right, and as a side note, just remember, for those of you in New York and Texas, that your drink package doesn't start until the 2nd day of the cruise.
Yep.
And that's due to actually state laws there. Now the drink package does include everything $20 and under, so you can't, there are certain things you can't do, like those big fishbowl drinks there at the rum bar.
Yeah.
You can't, those aren't included. I think you do actually get a little bit of a discount on those, but they're not included. It doesn't include, it excludes your souvenir cup drinks if you were to get it in the big fun ship drink, you know, the big Carnival whale tail.
Yeah.
It doesn't work for room service either.
No.
And it doesn't include the private island. One of the things that's kind of, Royal includes it there on their private island. Carnival does not.
Yeah,
so,
that's a bummer.
Yeah.
Because that would be really, really nice. You could really get your money's worth there.
Yes.
My next ingredient, guys, is going to be a ½ ounce of lime juice. And we all know fresh squeezed is better, but yeah, we're lazy, so you get bottled lime juice. All right, and then we're going to do a splash of grenadine syrup. I don't know what a splash is really, but we're just going to squirt some in there.
There you go. Perfect.
And I know there are a few different variations going around of the recipe for the fun ship drink. This is just one that we picked. There are some other ones out there. And then the last ingredient that we have is a dash of bitters. What's a dash? I don't know. I'm not a bartender. I don't know what a dash is.
A little squirt.
So yeah, we'll squirt some bitters in there. And there you have it, guys. That is all the ingredients for our fun ship drink. We'll put the lid on. Hopefully it's tight and it doesn't go everywhere. Shake it up. Shake it up. This is only the 2nd time I've made it. So, first one was pretty good, so I think this will be good.
This was good.
This was good. Just pour it in your cup. And there you go. Easy enough. Not that many ingredients.
No.
I mean,
Now just remember on the Cheers package.
have a taste.
Oh.
How does it turn out? Pretty good.
Good.
Thumbs up. Pretty good.
Just like on the cruise.
Okay.
Now we're just going to go over real quick a bunch of the prices there on the cruise compared to whatever for the Cheers package. So, like your average price of a beer on the ship is between $7 and $9. What is mixed drinks are between $8 and $20 usually. Cocktail anywhere between $10 and $15. Remember, your cans of soda are usually what, about $3 to $4?
Yeah,
I think. Yeah,
$3 to $4 for soda.
Yeah. So you add all this stuff up, it really starts to make a difference in whether you think you're going to get the package.
Yeah, I mean, people ask, is it worth it? I mean, it's hard to say because everybody's different.
Yeah.
Everybody doesn't drink the same amount of alcohol. You know, it's just different. But if you're a soda drinker for the Bottomless Bubbles, if you like your sodas and you know you're going to drink sodas, it definitely makes sense to get the Bottomless Bubbles.
Absolutely.
Because one soda's between $3 and $4, so it definitely makes sense to buy the package.
Yeah, and so with the drink package too, you're going to see that if you do it pre-boarding, it's $60 a day per person, and then that 18% gratuity on there. And so everybody in the cabin, so you and your cabin mates got to get it. and you see that $800-900 bill, and it really is like, oh my gosh, will I ever drink that much? And we're not big drinkers.
No.
But it's not hard to hit that amount.
It's not hard. No, it's not hard to hit that amount because you drink during the shows.
Yeah.
You have a drink at dinner, comedy club. I mean.
And remember that includes your bottled waters.
Yes.
It includes, like, say you want to have a soda at lunch with the buffet.
Yeah.
Or something like that. So so all that little stuff just kind of adds up, and it
does add up.
Again, you got to look at it. If you actually are a liquor drinker, then it's
like,
gonna make you're definitely gonna break even.
If you were there to party and drink, and you know that's what you're gonna do, you definitely want to get the package. I mean, that just makes sense because it will add up individually.
Yep.
And like he said, everybody in the cabin over 21 has to get the Cheers package. One person can't get it. Now, we have been seeing where they've been making some exceptions lately. If you call and kind of give your reasonings why one person can't get it.
You can plead your case, but
most times they will accommodate you, but it's not a guarantee.
Yeah, not guaranteed at all.
Definitely not. But it's worth a try.
So, that was the Carnival Cheers package. I think we went over all the facts and everything.
Yep. And as for the Fun Ship drink, we will make sure we put the recipe up there for you so you can jot it down, go get the ingredients, make this drink, and have a fun time at home.
So, if you found anything useful, please like and subscribe below.
And please don't forget to tune in for any upcoming videos.
Yeah, we have an upcoming cruise on the Mardi Gras at the end of April.
Correct. Okay, guys, so there you have it. Until next time, everybody, remember to have fun and be safe.
Bye!